Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Mama. If you are new to the world of crypto and you are figuring out how to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other coin, it must be confusing at first. But today I'm going to show you a few steps on how to buy a crypto by using one of the easiest trading platforms, which is the MEXC. First step, you have to sign up and create an account. Step 2 is where you need to verify account. Just click under the account and then verify using your driver license, your IC or your passport detail. And step 3, you are going to deposit cash to invest. Homepage, you will see buy crypto, click into it and you will see you can actually buy USDT from here. From the setting above, click into collection setting. You can transfer the money from a bank account, from Alipay or WeChat. If you are using bank account, you just have to key in the bank account numbers, the bank name and the branch address. After you have deposited the money, you can use the ringgit to exchange with USDT. From here, you can choose your favorite merchant. You can check what is their minimum to their maximum ringgit. And then you can just click buy and buy the USDT as usual. And the coming step will show you how is the transaction is made. After the payment is completed, just click transfer asset to spot account. And you can start trading now. Just go into market and you can place your cryptocurrency order. So these are the easy steps for you to kickstart your crypto trading journey. Good luck guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.